Well, Jazamango is my latest project here in Baja. It's in the beautiful town of Todos Santos. It feels like a very peaceful and relaxed, very quiet town, and I felt very, very at ease here. Well, Jazamango means arugula in Spanish dialect. I tasted the arugula and I thought, wow, this is wonderful. This flavor it really blew my mind. And not just the arugula, but all the vegetables and fruits that grow in this region. Wow. Here in the garden in Jazamango, which is the heart of the restaurant, we grow tomatoes, eggplant, onions, all kinds of herbs, thyme, lots of basil, arugula, different kinds of arugula, kales, corn, some Mexican herbs and chiles like jalapenos, serranos, papalo, cilantro. Everything that you can think of, it grows seasonally. We had tons of beets, so we thought of ourselves, well, let's just try to do an aguachile. So we juiced the beets and combined them with lemon and lime juice and little ginger and then lemongrass from the garden. And we came out with this wonderful, beautiful looking dish because of the beet color and the flavor, and it went really well with, we didn't use shrimp or fish, we used octopus that we grill over mesquite. Well, we have lots of farmers and ranches that make excellent cheese here, so like really fresh panela. So we had this wonderful, really sort of like a burrata type of cheese. And we have these wonderful tomatoes from the garden, and it was also strawberry season, which is just starting. So we peeled the strawberries, and they're super sweet right now. And then we take the tomatoes, blend them together with some basil, olive oil from Valle de Guadalupe, and we have this really tasting, amazing dish that it's summer in a dish for us. Chocolate Clams, they harvest here a lot in Cerro Cortez, and it's just really, really unique flavor. So when you drive into Baja, you find a lot of little spots that sell clams over like charcoal or mesquite, like right on the street. So we took that idea from those stands and we put them on the grill here with the mesquite. It gets a lot of smoke, and we put a little bit of local butter, serrano chile, lime juice, and a little bit of soy sauce. And that's it. They're just amazing, and that's Baja for us. We have this rabbit dish from day one since we opened the restaurant that goes very well with the zucchini, the fennel, and we cook it in a cast iron pan and we finish it in the wood fire oven. So it's got this wonderful smokiness, the freshness of the vegetables. We put some fresh thyme from the garden too and finish it with a little bit of local olive oil. That ceviche is a Baja Giramasa, which, we have plenty of fish here from the Pacific Ocean and also the Cerro Cortez. But we like to also work and promote this wonderful fish that is called Baja Giramasa, that it's harvested here near La Paz, which is amazing fish. So we use that fish for this ceviche dish. We use pickled green strawberries. We do a little tomatillo. We put cilantro, and then we just finish it up with cilantro flowers, and it's this amazing, beautiful, bright, really citrusy flavor. And the fat content of this giramasa fish goes very well. The balances perfectly with the acid of the green strawberries and the lime juice. Baja, it's all about exploring and discovering new things. We love it. That's why we love it here.